What the? Good job, buddy. Well done. Scotty's for you.
Another Canadian, Michael Kubrick, who did be sentenced, is hostage
Really?
diplomacy.
Really?
Beijing's attempt to
Look at you go. What a fucking idiot.
an executive at tech giant Huawei.
Fucking dumb prick.
Dominic Barton spoke to reporters in Beijing via
one of Gavin Jackson.
To recognise and
Get up
assess
it.
and diagnose this
Oh, that's the way. Straight through that red light.
classroom, but not against the girl.
easing restrictions in some areas. I know other state premiers are concerned
the
about this,
fuck are you
particularly
doing?
your home state of Victoria. Would that be splitting from the national framework if New South Wales...
Residents need to take it seriously.
Yeah, this cunt.
We've seen people turning a footpath into an impromptu beer garden and doing pub crawls. We've seen people
Fuck you, mate.
gathering in parks in large numbers. We've seen lots of different people.
Seriously?
following these rules, not doing as they
Fucking
should,
cockhead.
making really poor choices.
Yeah, you're a fucking hero, mate.
Jesus fucking Christ, mate.
You're shit.
Right.
Motherfucker.
So they're ready to go.
just the way you want them. Get into the 4-wheel drive super centre now and we'll hook you up with a brand new King camper in time. So I'll never be stopping. Everyone asking what a new drop in. Friendship been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten. No.
Tried, and I've tried even more. I've cried, and I can't recall what for. I pressed, I pushed, I've yelled, I begged in hopes of some success. But the inevitable fact is that it never will impress. I've no more fucks to give, my fucks have runneth dry. I've tried to go fuck shopping, but there's no fucks left to buy. I've no more fucks to give, though more fucks I've tried to get. I'm over my fuck budget and I'm now in fucking debt. I strive to get everything done. I've played by all the rules, but I've very rarely won. I've smiled, I've charmed, I've wooed and laughed, alas to no avail. I've run round like a moron to unequivocally fail. I've no more fucks to give, my fuck fuse has just blown. I've been hunting for my fucks all day, but they've upped and fucked off home. I've no more fucks to give, my fuck rations are depleted. I've rallied.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
What a fucking idiot.
But Jim, let's talk about the
Hey, there's an alleyway over in St. Matthews.
Look at this
You
fucking
can get
clown.
anything. Hot
Out
car
the way.
stereos, brand new looking 8-track players.
Oh my God, look at this fucking meat-headed P-plater. He's just looking at me as he went past, and I'm looking at him like, you moron. He decides I'll just go down the bus-only lane to overtake traffic. Speeding his head off, now he's going to fly down to exit. What a complete moron. If this clown only knew he was about to be on Scott's car cameras. Okay. What the fuck? Fucking you idiot. You fucking moron. Get the fuck out of the way, you fucking idiot. You haven't got a fucking clue. You're that fucking retarded, you turn left from the middle non-turning lane against a red turning arrow and then get stopped in no man's land because of a pedestrian.
Line or get the fuck out. I've yet to see an ultimatum.
Ah. Wow, they got two have said fuck it, we don't want to wait in the traffic. Oh, we've got some sodomy. Ooh. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch. Interesting.
Hearing more about it.
Without going into you just
Jeez,
talking about people you hate and why you hate them.
Fucking idiot.
Without that.
What a moron. Like, really, it's a 60 zone. What a total pickle dick.
Paying themselves 2 and 3 times. But it ended up killing the place. You know, so the point is you always keep your former champion still in a main event mix.
I will shut that shit down, no exception.
And still wrestling other guys.
This fucking idiot thinking, oh yeah, I'm just going to turn right at a no right turn sign. That ain't going to happen, I'm nuts. Get moving.
Completely glowing.
Well, Google it, motherfucker.
I am. Unfortunately, the Blackhawks weren't a big enough tag team to have a fucking Wikipedia page.
Well, somebody's got to correct that.
Whoa.
There has to be something here to just...
Geniuses. Fucking Volvo drivers. Good work.
Thank you very much, Steady. I would like to thank...
Look at this dipshit. Block the pedestrian crossing. Great spot to stop, you numbnut.
I told you. Benny, bring me everyone.